Hey y'all, Joe here at Southern Coast Cooking coming at you this afternoon. This afternoon I'm doing a special recipe for Catherine Faye. I gotta get it started though before she comes out of school because it's gotta chill for a bit. She wants some ooey chewy chocolate chip cookies. Just oozing out chocolate chips and that gooey, wonderful chewy texture to the chocolate chip. It's a really good recipe. Y'all follow me here. Please check it out. I'll put the whole recipe in the description box, okay? If you want all the measurements and stuff, I'll put that down in the description box, all right? Now, okay, so what I'm starting out here with, y'all, is a little AP, a little all-purpose flour. Let me get y'all in there in good shot. Now I'm gonna start mixing some of this stuff in. And we have 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now, I've got some baking soda. This is 2 teaspoons of baking soda. They're gonna go with that flour. Then I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It's gonna go with that flour. Make sure I got all the baking soda out of there. All right. Then we have 1 teaspoon of salt. All right. It's kind of sticky. All right, now what we're going to do is just kind of whisk it around this large bowl, and we're going to set this aside. Then I've got some melted butter here. I've got 1.5 cups of melted butter. Now let it cool for about 5 minutes or so. All right, and now I've got some brown sugar, 1.5 cups of packed brown sugar. We'll put that right into that melted butter, okay? Then I've got 1 cup of granulated sugar, so y'all can see good. Okay, there we go. Then I have got, let me see, I'm gonna put the brown sugar, the granulated sugar, and now we'll whisk that around for a second. Let's just get this good mixed up, get the lumps kind of out of it. And this butter. Now I've got some eggs. I've got 2 large whole eggs and 2 large just egg yolks. All right, we're about to mix that in here. Now let those sit out for about 20 or 30 minutes, kind of come to room temperature. So we'll whisk all that in there. Get that nice and mixed in. All right, now, next what we got is 4 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. I know it's a little pricey, but don't use that imitation junk. Pure vanilla extract from Madagascar. What we got? 4 teaspoons. Whisk that in there. It smells wonderful. Now, we got all that whisk in, and this is really thin. We're going to pour that on top of the dried ingredients, and we're going to mix that together. And then we're going to fold in about almost 3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So let's just mix this in right here. Ooh, that just looks pretty. Catherine Faye's going to love these. All right. Let's get in here where y'all can see. Everything keeps moving around on me. All right, give me just a few minutes. I'm gonna mix this. Y'all, now that I got that mixed in there pretty good, I'm gonna fold in these chocolate chips. Get all that mixed up. Oh, that's gonna be good. I got it all mixed up. Now I'm just kind of pressing some cling wrap down around that, because we gotta let it sit in the fridge for at least 3 hours. You could do it overnight if you wanted to, but we'll do that, then we'll get rid of making the cookies. All right, y'all, we're back, and look who's here.
Hi.
Catherine Faye's here, and we're about to bake the cookies. Now, we let them sit in the refrigerator for about 3.5 hours. Wait till after dinner time. We set them out on the counter, a piece of the dough, for about 15 minutes. Now, she's having cousins over this weekend, so we're going to cook the rest of them then. You can keep that that cookie dough in the oven for 3 or 4 days, so it'll be good. It'll actually get a little bit better. So here's what we got, y'all. We got a piece of the dough here. I got a little Silpat put on a cookie sheet. And what we're going to do, I'm just going to kind of just measure out a little scoop of it right here. We've got one of these cookie scoop things, just like that. And then we'll put it down over here on the Silpat. Okay? Just like that. Okay. Catherine Faye, you want to come do one?
Sure.
All right, now, let me show you how to use this. See, we push down like that. Okay, and we put the dough in there, and then, okay, put it on there. Now squeeze it. Squeeze the handle. Yeah, look, like this, like this. There it goes. Oh, watch out. There you go. All right. Yeah, Catherine Faye. So let's get the rest of these on there. All right, here's some more. Do another one. Squeeze the handle this way. There it goes. All right, so we're gonna make these on here, and I'll come right back to y'all.
We're going to put them in the oven at 325 for 12 minutes.
All right. Y'all, we're checking them after 12 minutes. It looks like they're gonna need a few more minutes. We'll check back to them. Y'all, so we let them cook for a total of 14 minutes actually. Now you've got to let them rest here for 10 minutes. All right, y'all, we have got the cookies cooled. We put them on our little barbecue board, cutting board there. And Catherine Faye, I'm gonna get you set up to try one, okay?
Okay.
All right, Catherine Faye.
It's good.
It isn't?
Mm-hmm.
And what we tell the people?
Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments, let us know if you like this cookie video. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye. Okay.